First, farmers had to learn three main tasks. Number one, how to concentrate desirable plants in a determined area. Number two, how to avoid the growth of weeds in this area. And number three, how to stimulate the growth of these plants. All these tasks are related to the presence of water and to water management. And this is why rainfall seasons and rainfall generally was that important for farmers in these times. And this is also the reason why a selection of crops emphasized in the water demand of the crops. Water affected both yield quality and quantity. And this has not changed to date. Did you know that today almost 60% of the water used in most of the industrialized nations is designated to agriculture? Plants need water to maintain the turgor of their cells, to absorb nutrients, to transport nutrients as well as photosynthase inside the plant, but also for a tremendous number of physiological processes. This is why in this unit we will speak all about water. In an agroecosystem, water can be lost in four ways: erosion, leaching, evaporation of water, or consumption by organisms, especially plants, which later transpire the water. While the first 2 points are more related to crop management, evaporation and transpiration conform the potential evapotranspiration, or PET. This describes the potential evapotranspiration, PET, of an agroecosystem. As agroecologists, we always try to work with the natural abiotic conditions. This means increasing or decreasing the PET. Different to what many people are thinking, most farmers in the world are struggling with water excess rather than with water deficiencies. Potential consequences of excessively humid soils and microclimates involve plant stress due to excessive soil moisture, plant suffocation due to a lack of soil oxygen, excessive pathogen fungus and bacteria populations, growth of anaerobic soil bacteria and tremendous consequent problems, the attraction of parasitic plants, erosion, high mineral nutrient leaching, risk of salinity, especially in the soil surface, excessive growth of secondary plants, also called weeds, probable losses, harvest losses in terms of quantity and quality, as well as the emission of greenhouse gases such as methane. Conventional approaches to excessive humidity are often related to habitat modifications such as drainage systems or flood control. An agroecological approach involves the maintenance of the natural soil cover, also mulching maybe. It also involves highly fertile soils with a high organic matter content. It involves the maintenance of the secondary vegetation and the high agrobiodiversity on the field. It also includes a complex cropping patterns and crop rotations. And last but not least, it involves the inclusion of animals, domestic animals as well as wild animals.